Hello students, welcome back to our channel. Myself is Manjunath Bhandari. Students, in the previous class we were doing the exercise 1.1 and we have completed. In today's class we were going to do the exercise 1.2 of rational number. Okay, students, in this class we are going to take up a concept of number line, representation of rational numbers on the number line. What is rational number? I have got that rational number means p by q, where q is not equal to 0. This is called as rational numbers. For example, we can take it as 3 by 7 or 2 by 4. 2 by 4 we can take it as. So rational numbers we are representing on the number line. In this topic we are going to take on the number. What is number line? Number line is nothing but a linear line where the lines will be there. In that point will be 0, this side all will be positive, this side all will be negative. So number line we are representing this by 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 4 by 5, 6 by 7. Here also we are representing as minus sign. Here all will be positive. Here all will be negative. 4 by 5 and 6 by 7. So students, in this number line we are representing positive and negative and positive of rational numbers. So this is called as a number line. In this topic, in this chapter, we are going to exercise 1.2. The whole exercise will be on this page only. We have to find the numbers between any two. They will give in question any two numbers. Means any two numbers 2 to 4. How many numbers we can write in rational number? We have to find it out. Okay. Students, ಏನಂದ್ರೆ rational numbers ಇದಾವಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ p by q ಇದೆ, ಇದು ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್. ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನಂಬರ್ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಏನಂದ್ರೆ 2 to 4. ಈ 2 to 4 ಮಧ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಬರ್ತವೆ ಅದು ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ರಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಇದು ಹೋಲ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್, ಹೋಲ್ exercise 1.2 whole exercise will be done in this way. Okay, note it down. I will go to the exercise directly. Okay, screenshot it. Now I'll go to the exercise. So now exercise 1.2, the first question. Exercise 1.2, the first question. First question represent these numbers. Represent these numbers on the number line. On the number line. So students, first one 7 by 4 and second one minus 5 by 6. So in this one, first we have to draw a number line. First we take it is a positive, so I take it as a 0. So here this side will be negative. So here this side will be positive. So I write as 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 1. 4 by 4 is 1. 5 by 4, 6 by 4, 7 by 4 and 8 by 4. Here will be a negative side. Leave it negative side. Here what is representing as 7 by 4. So 7 by 4 will come here. So this is the point we are representing in the number on the number line. So how I wrote this one? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 0 ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. 0 to 1 by 4 ಸೇಮ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೇಮ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಬರೆಯೋಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. It must be in the same ratio. So here the ratio same ratio we have taken the number. ಇಲ್ಲಿ same ratio ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಬರೀಬಹುದು in numbers. So in this way all the problems will be solved out. Same ratio ಇರಬೇಕು ಅವಾಗ ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So ಇದೇನು ನಂಬರ್ 7/4. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಇಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 2/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. This is nothing but 4/4 which I wrote it right as 1. ಆಮೇಲೆ 5/4, ಆಮೇಲೆ 6/4, ಆಮೇಲೆ 7/4. So here the number comes 7/4. Okay, note it down. I will do second one. So students, now second one. Second one, represent this number on the number line. So first we have to draw a number line. It is a negative sign, so I will take it as 0 here. So negative 5/6 is there. So I will take it as minus 1/6, minus 2/6, minus 3/6, minus 4/6, minus 5/6, minus 6/6. Okay. In this one, I have taken the same ratio numbers. In this one, represent this number on the line. So minus 5. So this is a minus 5 here. So we are representing this number as here. Okay. Hope that you are understanding me very well. Okay. Note it down. I will go to the next problem. So the next problem is represent minus 2/11, minus 5/11 and minus 9/11 on the number line. Okay. Now represent minus 2/11, 5/11 and minus 9/11 on number line. We have to represent this all on the number line. So first we have to draw a number line. Number line I have drawn. See, all are minus, negative side. So negative side will be this side. So I will take it as a 0. This side will be positive. So see here friends, 11 is common, minus 2. So I will take it as a minus 1/11. Okay, got it? So after that minus 2/11, after that minus 3/11, minus 4/11, 5/11, minus 6/11, minus 7/11, minus 8/11, minus 9/11 and minus 10/11. Okay, these all are the numbers. So now minus represent, we have to only represent one. So minus 2/2, here is the first one. So I take it this one as 1, this one as 2, this one as 3. So the number first one will come here. Second one is minus 5/7. So second one will be here. Minus 5/11. Third one minus 9/7. So the number will be coming here. Minus 9/11. Okay, got it? I hope that you are all getting the problems. Okay, note it down. I go to the next problem. So third one, write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. Third one, write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. Smaller than 2. Okay students, here we have to write the rational numbers which are smaller than 2. Means a number which is less than 2. Less than 2 we have to write 5 numbers in this one. We have to write 5 numbers. So what are the rational numbers we can get? Less than 5 means we can write it as less than 2. Means here we can write it as 2 by 10, 5 by 10, 7 by 10, 15 by 10, 20 by 10. These all numbers are less than 2. These numbers are less than 2 ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ we can write any numbers we can take. Any numbers we can take. ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ನಂಬರ್ ನಾವು ತಗೋಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So we can take less than 2. Okay. So actually ಇದು rational numbers ಬರಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 0.2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು. 0.5, 0.7, 1.5 ಇದು 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದುವರೆಗೆ ಇದು ಇಟ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 2 ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 18 ತಗೋರಿ. ಸೊ 1.8. ಸೊ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್. ಸೊ ದೇ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಇನ್ rational numbers. So I am writing this one. So decimal number. So all numbers are less than 2. Okay, this is the answer. E type barabeku. Maybe problems 1 mark or 2 marks it will be coming to your exams. Okay, students, please note it down. I'll go to the next problem. So fourth one, find 10 natural numbers between. Okay, fourth one, find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Okay, in between ಈ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಇರೋ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾವು rational numbers 10 numbers ಬರುತ್ತೆ. We have to write 10 numbers in between 1 by 2 and minus 2 by 15. So what we will take it as? So we can take it as this number as in between. So minus sign is there. So here there is one line ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 0 ಇದೆ, minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. In between ಈ numbers ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟರ 12 numbers ಬರಬೇಕಂತ ಅಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So I will take it as first number I will take it as minus 18 by 20, minus 18 by 20 or 50. So minus 18 by 15 for the first number. So in this way we have to write plus 1 by 2 mata now baribeku. Okay, now we will take it as next number as minus 15 by 50 for first number, second number. So ಈ type continue ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರಿಬಹುದು. So minus 12 by 15, any numbers ತಗೋಬಹುದು. minus 10 by 50, positive ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಈಗ 2 by 50, 5 by 50, 7 by 50, 4, 8 by 50, still 2 numbers, 11 by 50, 17 by 50, any numbers. E numbers in between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2 in between numbers. So in this way we have to write the numbers. We can take any number. Now particular number ತೋರ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಏನು ರೂಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. You can take any number. Okay. Okay students. Okay students. Okay students. I will continue the class in the next class. I'm hoping that you all are understanding my class very well. Please like it and share it. Thank you.